All right, beautiful Half Size Me community. I just want to show you one other feature here in the forums. So every single day, I go two places first thing in the morning. First thing I do is I go to my own personal journal, which is right here, in which I've shared that quite a bit. It's an accountability mindset personal journals. I do my daily post. The second place I go, and I want to just point this out, you see these little lines up here in the dark blue? It says Daily Gratitude Current Webinar Roadmap to Success, right? FAQ, how to use the forums and challenges. My second place I always go is the Daily Gratitude. And the reason I go to Daily Gratitude is because every single day I post a gratitude post. So for example, November 3rd is here on the top, November 2nd, and this is one of the areas I go to often. And all I had to do to get to that was to click up here on members quick links. This is an easy way to find a few of the key things that I feel are extremely important that people would want to have quick access to. And if you just want to see what challenges are going on, you click on challenges and it takes you right to the challenge page. For example, the 30 days of delayed gratification will be starting November 18th. So if I want to register for that, I can simply click there. So this quick links up here is just a nice little convenient way for you to find a few more things fast and effectively in the forums.